In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Adobe Illustrator inside Figma without having Adobe Illustrator. We'll do everything inside Figma. Open the desktop app or the web version and load the file where you want the artwork to appear. A fresh canvas works great, but an existing project is fine too. To keep things simple, click on an empty area of the canvas so nothing is selected. Now right-click on the canvas to open the context menu. From that menu, hover over Plugins to see the tools you have available, and look for the plugin named Convertify, Sketch, Adobe, Google. This is the bridge that lets Figma read .ai files without Illustrator installed. If you don't see it, make sure it's installed beforehand from the Figma community. Click to launch Convertify. In the plugin window, choose the option labeled Import Adobe Illustrator to Figma. You'll see a drag and drop area appear. Grab your .ai file from your computer and drag it right into that zone. You don't need Illustrator on your machine, you just need the actual .ai file. If your file is large, you can also click to browse instead of dragging, which can be more reliable on slower connections. The plugin will upload and process the file, then place the converted artwork onto your Figma canvas. Keep Figma in the foreground while it works, and give it a moment if the document is complex. When the import completes, zoom in and take a careful look. Layers, groups, and vector paths should be recreated as native Figma objects. Text often remains editable when the fonts are available. If a font is missing, Figma will alert you so you can replace it. Embedded images come through as bitmaps, and clipping paths typically become Figma masks you can tweak. A few tips help ensure clean results. Illustrator files saved with PDF compatibility and embedded images usually convert more predictably. Extremely complex effects or blend modes may render a bit differently. Check shadows, gradients, and strokes, and make small adjustments in the right sidebar if needed. Remember that Figma is RGB-based, so artwork created in CMYK may show slight color shifts. From here, organize your layers, align elements, and continue designing as usual. If the plugin placed your artwork on a new frame, you can rename it and fit it into your existing layout. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, right-click to access plugins, launch Convertify, choose Import Adobe Illustrator to Figma, and drag in your .ai file. You've successfully brought Illustrator artwork into Figma without ever opening Illustrator.